Piñata Party Cake, Homemade Recipe. Hey cake lovers, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a super exciting and fun project in store for you. We're going to show you how to make a homemade piñata party cake that's sure to be the highlight of any celebration. Whether it's a birthday, a special occasion, or just a fun gathering, this cake will bring smiles to everyone's faces. So, let's start. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for the cake. 2 boxes of your favorite cake mix, and the required ingredients listed on the box, typically eggs, oil, and water. Food coloring, variety of colors. Sprinkles. Your choice of frosting, we're using buttercream. For the piñata filling, candy, chocolates, and treats of your choice. A small plastic container or a small plastic bag to hold the candy. For the decorations. Additional frosting, various colors. Confetti. Fun-shaped sprinkles. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Step 1. Baking the cakes. 1. Follow the instructions on the cake mix boxes to prepare the cake batter. Divide the batter into separate bowls. 2. Add food coloring to each bowl to create vibrant colors for your cake layers. 3. Pour each colored batter into separate cake pans and bake according to the box instructions. Step 2. Assembling the cake. 1. Trim the tops of the cake layers to make them level. 2. Begin layering the cakes with your choice of frosting in between each layer. 3. Apply a final layer of frosting to the cake, creating a smooth finish. Step 3. Making the piñata filling. 1. Fill a small plastic container or bag with your chosen candies and treats. Step 4. Decorating the cake. 1. Add colorful frosting decorations on top of the cake using piping bags and various tips. 4.2. Sprinkle confetti and edible glitter over the cake for a festive look. 4.3. Create a border around the base of the cake with fun-shaped sprinkles. Step 5. The grand reveal. Now, the most exciting part, the reveal. When you cut into the cake, all those delicious candies will come pouring out, just like a piñata. And there you have it, your very own homemade piñata party cake. It's colorful, it's fun, and it's delicious. Your guests will be amazed when they see what's inside. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Don't forget to take pictures and share your creations with us on social media. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more creative DIY ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.